Ever feel like content creation is like climbing a mountain
Oh,
and you're stuck at
definitely.
the bottom just staring up?
Yeah, it's like the ideas just won't flow when you need them.
Exactly. But what if there was, a tool that could handle all the heavy lifting for you,
Wait,
generating
really?
articles, creating custom images, and even publishing them across platforms?
That sounds almost too good to be true.
I know, right? It's called Medium Poster, and it's like an ultimate medium system for content creators.
So how does it actually work?
Well, you just input your focus keyword, like medium system, and the tool, it crafts unique articles, creates
Mm-hmm.
custom AI images, and publishes directly to Medium, Tumblr, and WordPress.
Hold on, it publishes to all three platforms? That's a huge time
Exactly.
saver.
Exactly. No more juggling multiple platforms. It's all automated.
But what about the quality of the content? Is it any good?
That's the best part. The AI crafts engaging articles based on your keywords. No
Oh,
more staring
nice.
at a blank page for hours.
Wow, that could really change the game for creators.
Absolutely. And let's not forget about the custom AI-generated images. You just
Interesting?
input a few words and, bam, tailored visuals for your content.
That's impressive, but aren't AI images sometimes a bit off?
Well, sometimes they can be, but this tool seems to nail it most of the time, with
Really?
high quality and relevant images.
That could save so much time searching for visuals.
Exactly. And think about the platforms it supports: Medium, Tumblr, and WordPress.
Oh, right.
Each offers unique benefits.
True, but why those three specifically?
Well, Medium has over 60 million monthly readers, so your content gets a huge audience.
That's massive.
Plus, you can monetize through their partner program.
Oh, I didn't even consider that aspect.
And Tumblr's great for viral potential. A
Yeah,
single
posts can really
post can
take off there.
skyrocket your visibility.
That's true, but isn't Tumblr more visual?
It is, but that's where the custom images come in. Your
I
posts
see.
become more engaging.
Makes sense. And WordPress?
WordPress gives you full control over your site.
Right.
Customize your brand identity and scale up as needed.
Plus all those plugins for extra features.
Exactly. So Medium Poster streamlines content creation across these platforms.
This sounds almost too perfect. Are there any drawbacks?
Well, it's not a magic wand. You
Mm-hmm.
still need to provide good keywords and guide the content.
So it's a tool to enhance your workflow, not replace you entirely.
Exactly. And the best part? There are no recurring fees. It's a one-time purchase.
Now that's refreshing. Most tools like this have subscriptions.
I know, right? Plus, you get 5 exclusive bonuses when you buy now.
Bonuses? Like what?
There's AI hidden knowledge for insider strategies, then
Interesting?
undetectable AI content, so your content feels authentic.
That's crucial. No one wants robotic-sounding posts.
Exactly. There's also Prompt Goldminer, Persona AI, and content frameworks with 30 ChatGPT frameworks.
That's a lot to unpack.
It really is. And if you're still on the fence, there are demo videos showing how it works.
Oh, that's helpful. That's great. Sometimes seeing is believing.
Absolutely. So, are you ready to, transform your content game?
I think I am. Medium Poster seems like a real game changer.
Then it's time to give it a shot.